Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to upscale the size of multiple image files all at once for free in Windows, Mac and Linux PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Real ESR GAN GUI by Transparent LC. On the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now just click on this Real ESR GAN GUI again. Now on the right side you can see here releases. Just click on it. Now here you will see a tons of download options. So you can see for Mac OS, Ubuntu, which is for Linux, and even for Windows. So I'm gonna download for the Windows version. So you need to download this bundle one for each one of this operating system. So I'm gonna download for Windows bundle. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to extract this zip file. Just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here the application Real ESR GAN-GUI. Just double click on it. Now you can see the user interface of this software. So you will see here under the basic you will see there's various options, and next option is advanced. So under the advanced you will see tons more options. So I'll highly recommend to keep it as it is if you're new to this application. And the last option is about the application. So under the basic option you can either click on the browse or you can directly drag the images, and now you will see the output image, and below you will see here resize mode, ratio, width, height, longest side, shortest side. So you can increase or decrease it by using this up and down arrow. So I'll highly recommend to keep it as it is. And on the right side you will see a model. So under the model you will see here tons more model options. So just keep the default one, and once your all settings are done just click on start. So finally the task has been completed. Now you can just minimize this software, and now you can see the upscale images on my desktop screen as you can see. So let us compare side by side, and now you can see on the left side we have the original images and on the right side we have the upscale images. So you can see here even after upscaling the respective image files, it's providing us a very good results. You can see the picture quality comparing the original one, and if we try to zoom the original image files, so it looks very blurry one, and on the right side you can see that's not a blurry one. So by using this application Real ESR GAN-GUI, you can easily upscale the size of multiple image files all at once for free in Windows, Mac and Linux PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.